E don settle. They say that the Yoruba's leaders, especially will be Professor Waishe Inka and other professors for inside Yorubaland. They don't finally confirm am say that Fuláni don take over their forest. Oti law. My people, e don red for that area. Remember say NnamdiKanu tell them, as you people dey busy, they bring down Igbo business, Igbo houses. Yorubas, they busy. They bring down, they take over Igbo land where they say give them. They bring down their property, say the government, they no get paper, it's not like this. Why the Fulanis, they busy, they collect their forests. They buy them, they come outside. Things are happening. This life no balance. So, however, we go jump inside this matter and we go know how it did happen. But I'm going to play you NnamdiKanu voice where in tell them say this thing where they do, they say we keep quiet when time come. Everybody go understand. However, as if they read like this now, we go play the videos, may you watch, know wetin they go on for inside the Nigeria as it be like this. So, my people, welcome back to Balabas G's. Share this video and make sure say they follow this channel and subscribe to our digital turn notification bell for more update as it dey hot. Now let's jump inside that matter. I go play this video. May you hear wetin this professor they talk for Mato, say that the Yoruba land is gone. Otilo.
So what do they expect of us now that this war is on our doorstep? Of course, there has got to be civil mobilization. And if we keep waiting for this to be centrally handled, we're all going to become, if we're not already, slaves in our own land. That for me is personally intolerable. It's not an acceptable condition. And whatever it takes, I stand ready to contribute in any way. And I've made my government understand this, that we are here not just to live, but to live in dignity. Right now, our dignity is being rubbished. My forest has been taken over. It's been shrinking. My normal hunting grounds, yes, it's been shrinking. My family tells me that if I go in depth again, they will have me institutionalized.
What would you be expecting from the president at this time? What do you think he needs to do to break the riot act, if you like, or tell the people that it's no longer business as usual and we are ready to meet this at the board right now?
Address the nation. Address the nation in very stern, unambiguous terms. Say openly, yes, I know I am the patron of the Cattle Rearers Association, etc., etc. I'm a cattle rancher myself. It's a business, and I run my business on business terms. I do not run my business by killing people. I do not run my business by raping, by displacing, by torturing. I do not run my business by occupying land that does not belong to me. And I'm warning all business people in the food commodity, all you cattle rearers, whatever comes to you for illegal occupation or for trespassing on other people's property is your business. And I'm ordering the army, I'm ordering all the security forces to back citizen effort in flushing you out. I expect nothing less, even at this stage. It's very late already, but it's not too late. This is the language which I expect from President Buhari. And as long as that language does not come, I must consider him quite complicit in what is going on, because the buck stops at his desk.
What is your biggest fear about where we are now?
We may enter a phase of serial skirmishes which get more and more violent, become less and less focused, and swell into, I hate to use the word, may develop into a civil war, and a very untidy, messy one. at that. That's my biggest fear. And unless action is taken, and I'm very glad that the governors are coming together and discussing in all seriousness. I'm very glad that they're even pulling in renegade groups like Maiti Allah, for instance, and obviously talking sense, knocking some sense into his head. I noticed into the heads of their spokes, their leaders, their representatives. I noticed that they're now talking about accepting the decision of governors and agreeing to obey the rules. Very different from defiant, arrogant language which they were using when Benue. It was a totally unconscionable language after people had been killed.
Okay, so let's talk about Sunday Igboho, a Yoruba activist that's also taken a stand. He has been in the news in the last couple of days, in the past few weeks. Some are criticizing his stand, some are saying that he's going overboard. You talk about excesses and all that. Have you met him? What do you think about his actions and how he's carrying on?
No, we've never met. And incidentally, I hope people will always report things properly. I saw a byline on one of these media online reports. Wale Soyinka calls Igboho a hero or something. I never did any sort of thing. But Sunday Igboho has responded to the situation in the way he knew how. Now you will see that he's trying to work with others. This is the way these things usually happen. Somebody one day he reaches explosion point and he says, I cannot take this any longer, and it takes unilateral action. You cannot, the action may be excessive, it may be wrong-headed. What matters is that somebody has responded to an unacceptable situation. Any errors which he makes is for the rest of us to correct by calling him, and I know that a number of people are doing that.
This is a very strong message. I would love people to share this video, as many as you can. I don't want to talk anything yet. I want to play this video of what Maazị NnamdiKanu said. You know, it's because of the Igbos. That is why Nigeria have not become what they want to be today. Because if the Igbos is not in that picture, because Igbos is the only fearless tribe. The only fearless tribe in that contraction. Igbos do not give a fuck. When you say we don't give a fuck, like our brother Fino have said it, we don't give a fuck. If our leaders speak with one voice, I swear to God, Igbos will get Biafra the next day. There's no two ways about it. Because those who have witnessed the hardest side will always be hard. I'll play this voice for you to listen. Wait till Maazị NnamdiKanu talk here before we come back and proceed.
Give us Biafra because we are mad. I'm telling you the truth. If you don't give us Biafra, everybody will go down. When we start our own, Boko Haram will be forgotten. When IPOB came, now there's something called mass-up. They are gone. When we start our madness, you see Boko Haram, it will be a child's play. If you know how serious we are, simply give us Biafra and you get away. Go and meet your Alhaji lover. Go there and do it. For God Almighty in heaven said that Biafra is his own.
Yeah, the message is very clear. Give us Biafra. There's no two ways about it. Since that you people have decided that you want to become Islamic State, and we don't want to be, so you cannot force us. You don't win souls for a God by force. Those who believe will believe. So there's no way Biafra is gonna give their land an inch to Fulanis. For those governors who are busy talking nonsense, who are busy talking ranches, who are busy talking nonsense, no problem. One day, you see that voodoos that our people eat, that hold them down, will go out of their eyes, and you people will understand that the power belongs to the people. That is only truth about it. We cannot be the Yorubas who are busy fighting the Igbos who are not fighting you. while your enemy are living with you. They have already colonized you people. Does Yoruba have a history of Muslim before? They have already colonized you people already. So this one that you people are doing now is medicine after death. Keep pursuing Igbo people while they are taking over your lands. My people, share this video and make sure say they follow this channel for more updates as it holds.